Hey everybody, I don't know how many of you know this, but I'm supposed to upload 2 videos every week, one on Mondays, one on Fridays. And if you've been a subscriber, you might have noticed that I skipped 3 videos in the past 3 weeks. And the main reason behind that is I basically had no time to make those videos. I have a relatively busy life. I'm a student. On top of that, I do some freelance work and some computer repairs and things like that to make a living. Obviously, I'm not making any money from this YouTube videos yet. And on top of all of that, I'm trying to make 2 videos a week for YouTube, which which pretty much proved itself to be impossible, unfortunately. Another reason that I couldn't make those videos is I basically ran out of ideas for quick videos. So if you've been a subscriber, you might have noticed that in the past, a lot of videos that I upload on Mondays were quick videos, like top 5 videos or quick tutorial videos that don't really require any preparation in advance, and I've run out of ideas for those. So because of these reasons, I'm dropping the video count from 2 videos a week to 1 video a week on Fridays. I might occasionally make another video on Mondays, but if I do that, that will be a bonus. That's not going to be the schedule. And the schedule, as I said, from now on is 1 video on Fridays, which I'm hoping that I'm not going to skip any videos anymore. Another thing that I wanted to ask you is if anybody is interested in tech stuff like computers, etc. There's a reason why I named this channel Işık Tech, and the reason is I wanted to make computers videos and things like that, reviews, etc. But it just happened that I uploaded the 3D printing videos first, so I couldn't really focus on that. So let me know if you're interested in that, and I'll make those videos as well. And if nobody is interested, I might make a second channel for those and rename this channel to something more 3D printing like. So these were the 2 things that I wanted to discuss in this video. As I said, I'm dropping to 1 video a week from now on. I just wanted to reiterate that, and thanks for watching.